Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with Steam open and logged in. Make sure the game you want to control is installed. Once the library is visible, locate the game and right-click it. Next, choose Properties and switch to the Updates tab so you can change its automatic update behavior immediately. Now change the update policy. In the Updates tab, pick Only update this game when I launch it to prevent background downloads. Once done, click to close Properties and let the setting save. You should repeat this for every game you want to stop from auto-updating, because Steam applies this per title rather than globally. To finish, you can use Steam offline mode when you want absolute control. This prevents the client from pulling updates until you go online. If a game still updates, make sure Steam isn't set to update automatically on startup and check downloads for active queues. If problems persist, pause downloads or block Steam with a firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.